You're going to love this update if you're using our calendar. This feature is going to allow you to customize the order of steps within the calendar widget, providing for flexibility in how appointments are scheduled. There are insane benefits with this. First of all, now you can customize that calendar flow. So now you get to specifically choose the order of each of those calendar booking steps. This is really seriously going to enhance user experience because you're able to use your absolute highest priority step from that calendar booking first. It's going to also increase conversions because now you get to optimize the order of steps that are going to perfectly lead to the higher booking rates. And this is ideal because when you systematize how you're putting people through your booking system, it really reduces the friction of scheduling that appointment. As far as practical use goes, let's say you're creating an appointment schedule system and you can set the date and time selector first to quickly engage your customers. But maybe honestly, you would really like them to fill out the form, let's just say second. So they fill out that form second, but they pick their date. And now we don't want to ask them for the money. Maybe originally we were asking them for the money when they filled out that form, before they even got to pick their date and get attached to the date and start getting excited. Now they have got to give you that correct information. And now we're going to go ahead and ask for that payment, the highest friction item, right at the end. So we have already gotten them to commit to a date, fill out a form before we're going and asking them for that payment. So this new feature is going to be accessible under settings. From settings, I want you to go into the calendar, and now you're going to either create a new calendar or you can edit one that's already existing. Now, this is a really simple thing here. As you're going to see within the indicator on my screen, while you're in forms and payment, you're going to be able to put what step is first, what step is second, etc. So when you're done with that, you can go ahead and now click save, and you have really customized that booking funnel for your business. This feature significantly enhances the flexibility and the effectiveness of the scheduling process, significantly improving user experience and really honestly increasing how efficient it is to book on your schedule. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.